Hello class 9. So now we will continue our exercise number 2.5 of your chapter number 2. Let's start the question number 3. You have to factorize the polynomials. You have to factorize each of these. Now you will have to use the identities. See carefully. I can write 9x square as 3x whole square plus 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and x into y and plus y. If you see this carefully, then x square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to x plus y square. This is the identity. This is the identity number 1, first identity, and we will use this. Here instead of x there is 3x and y there is y only. So how can we write the factors? We can write it as instead of x we will write 3x and instead of y we will write y only, same. So x square 3x square, 2 xy 3x and y square. So when you compare we get this as the result. अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो ये वाला जो फॉर्म है मैंने उसको इस तरह से लिखा, 9 को 3 का स्क्वायर लिख सकता हूँ, x को x का स्क्वायर लिख सकता हूँ, तो 3x को पूरे का स्क्वायर करूंगा तो 9x स्क्वायर आ जाएगा। फिर 6 को मैंने ब्रेक किया 2 into 3 और 3x को अलग ब्रैकेट बना दिया और y को अलग लिख दिया, y को y स्क्वायर लिख दिया। अब ध्यान से अगर देखो इस आइडेंटिटी के अंदर तो हो क्या रहा है, पूरी आइडेंटिटी में क्या फर्क है, सिर्फ x की वैल्यू में फर्क है, बाकी y और 2 और ये y स्क्वायर दोनों में कोई फर्क नहीं है। इसका मतलब x की जगह यहाँ पे क्या लिख दूं, 3x लिख दूं और ये आइडेंटिटी यूज करके फैक्टर्स निकालिए, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ लेट्स सी दिस वन। Now break this one. You can write it as 2y whole square. 4 किसका स्क्वायर होता है, 2 का स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 is 4. Then write 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square. Now see here, I have written this minus 4y as minus of 2 into 2y into 1. Why? Because I have to create this form, and this is plus 1. Plus 1 can be written as 1 square. Now see carefully. If you look this and look these both of this is the identity which we have studied. ये आइडेंटिटी है जो अपन ने पढ़ी है। क्या बोलती है आइडेंटिटी, x माइनस वाई का होल स्क्वायर करोगे तो ये आएगा। अब इसको और इसको कंपेयर करो, दिस इज सेम थिंग, ये सेम लग रहा है, फॉर्म x और y सेम नहीं है लेकिन जो इक्वेशन का फॉर्म है वो दोनों इसमें सेम है। यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है तो यहाँ पे 2y स्क्वायर है, देन यहाँ पे 2xy है तो यहाँ पे 2, देखो माइनस का साइन 2 भी है यहाँ पे, और y की जगह क्या है 1 है, 2x की जगह क्या है 2y है। व्हाट इज इन द प्लेस ऑफ y स्क्वायर, y 1 स्क्वायर, ओके। देयरफॉर व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस, 2y minus 1, x will be equals to 2y, y will be equals to 1. So this is the factorization. Now see this. If you see this and compare it to x minus y square जो आइडेंटिटी होती है वो क्या आती है, what is the result of this, x plus y x minus y. आइडेंटिटी क्या बोलती है? x प्लस वाई माइनस x इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई will be equals to x square and y square. So apply this here. X, this can be written as x whole square minus y upon 10 square. मैं लिख सकता हूँ ना 100 को 10 का स्क्वायर ऑफ 10 is 100, so I have written y by 10 whole square. Okay, now what we will do after that? Just write x plus y by 10. One term will be this and other term will be x minus y upon 10. Okay, understood? So this is the answer. Now let's do the question number 4th. So the question number 4th says expand using identities. You have to expand this. Okay, what will be the identity of this? If you remember, अगर आपको याद हो, when x plus y plus z whole square is done, the answer is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz and plus 2xz. This is the answer. This is the identity. Okay, we will apply this identity here. There are 1 2 3 terms, here also 1 2 3 terms. Apply this. X will be x square, so x square. 2y will be square of whole the term 2y plus 4z, so square of 4z. Then 2xy, 2yz and 2z. Zx will be 2 into, what will be 2 into x, then again 2 into 2y. Instead of y there is 2y, so write 2y. Then what will be the next term? 2 into yz. What is y? 2y. And what is at the z position? 4z. Okay, then at the last term is 2 into x into z position, it is 4z. Solve this. This will be x square, 2 square is 4, y square, 4 square is 16, z square plus 2 to the 4 x y, 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16 y z, 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16 plus 2 into 4 is 8x z. So this is the answer of this. Now see this equation. Here if you see, value of x is 3. This is the same identity I am using. Value of y here is minus of 7b. What is it? Minus of 7b. And value of the third term z is minus of c. Now using these three we have to apply in this term. So I am using the identity. In the place of x square there is 3a square plus, in the place of y square there is minus of 7b, so write minus of 7b square plus again minus of c square in the place of z square. Now write 2 x, what is x? 3a. What is y? Minus of 7b. Again write 2 yz. What is y? Minus of 7b. What is z? Minus of 2 xz. What is x? 3a. What is z? Minus of. Solve this. 3 3s are 9a square. Minus minus is plus 49. 7 7s are 49b square. Minus minus is plus and c square is c square. Plus 2 into 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42ab. A and b, minus and plus will be negative sign. Then this minus and minus is plus 2 7s are 14 b c. Okay, b and c. Then at the last 2 into 3 6, minus sign and plus sign, so it will be minus of 6 ac. So this is the expanded form. This is the answer. Now let's take another question. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. If you compare this, what is x 1 by 4a? What is y minus of 1 by 2b? What is z plus 1 plus? So apply this here. What is x square? 1 by 4a square. What is y square? Minus of 1 by 2b square. Z square is 1 square. Then next term will be 2 into 1 by 4a into minus of 1 by 2b. X y term, this one, first term. Then 2 z, y z. What is y? This. Minus 1 by 2 and 1. Z is 1. The last term 2 x z. What is x? 1 by 4 a. What is z? 1. Solve it. What we will get? You get, what is the square of 4? 16. So 1 by 16 a square, then minus into minus is plus, 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4. Square of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 b square. Square of 1 will be 1. Then cut 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So the remaining will be minus of minus and plus will be minus of 1 by 4 AB, A into B. Then this minus into plus will be minus of 2. Wait. 2 1s are 2, both 2 1 times cancel out. Then the remaining will be minus of 1b. We can remove this one also and just write minus of b. After that 2 and 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So this will be reduced to 1 by 2a. So this is the result. Okay, dear students. So we have completed up to question number 4.